Hello and welcome to the second video. This is the video for the Marketing Hub, but this is the video specifically for the Campaigns tab. Now, campaigns really, a marketing campaign can mean various things. What it actually boils down to is how do you want to categorize all of your marketing posts. So you might have campaigns, you may have, for example, an Easter campaign or a Christmas campaign or whatever based on various times of the year, or you may break it down by the type of advert you're doing or some kind of campaign regarding a specific page of your website or part of your business, that kind of thing, that's going to run throughout the year. I really don't care how you break your campaigns down, that's for you to decide. You've got up to 20, so all you need to do on this page is list up to 20 campaign names in the cells. That's it, just type them in. You can resort them by using this to sort them into alphabetical order if you want to. All of these figures here will auto-populate as you put in some information in. What this essentially is doing is counting how many Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and newsletter posts you've got for each campaign. It's counting how many impressions you've got from each of those campaigns. It's counting how many engagements you've got from each of those campaigns, and it's counting how many clicks to the website you've got. Now some of these figures are fairly accurate because I've taken them from some of my existing data, but these ones I've just played around with to get them to do that. So yeah, you essentially just name your campaigns, but then what you need to do is when you go through to each of the posts and things, when it's got your campaign column, you need to select the campaign that it falls under. What I will say at this point is if you leave it blank, if you leave the campaign column blank on the different social media tabs, it won't count that data. Not only does it not assign it to a campaign, but the results, the report that it creates on the spreadsheet is all based around these campaigns. So anything that's not in a campaign will be excluded completely from the reporting. So my suggestion to you is if you are going to have a situation where you're going to post social media content that's not going to be in a campaign, I would just create a campaign called General or something where you put in all those odd posts, because you really don't want to be leaving them blank because it's just going to ignore them completely. So that's just a suggestion. List up your campaigns, and then, as I said, these figures showing your post listed, impressions, engagement, clicks to websites, and so on and so forth for each campaign will all tally up as you go along. And then when you get to your report, you'll see a lot of your report is campaign based. So it's all based on the different campaigns. So it really helps you to understand. The report's going to show you your success, be it clicks to the website or impressions or engagement or whatever, all per campaign. So it's really important to set those campaigns up and think about what you want to set up and make sure you've got them. The only other thing I will say is don't have the same thing twice. So if you type in campaign 1 again, it's going to show that they're duplicates. Get rid of those because that's just useless. And that's it. It's fairly straightforward. Set up the campaigns. Whatever you set up here will be available to click on the other tabs, and it will auto-populate all of the results. So yeah, that's the second video. Thank you.